Features: BRINKS stainless steel discus padlock has a 70 mm body with stainless steel shackle for cut resistance. Round shielded design minimizes shackle exposure, protects against cutting. Full radius rubber bumper prevents scratches and dings. Security: equipped with a 4-pin brass tumbler cylinder for pick and pry resistance. Strength: steel shackle has a cut strength up to 8,100 pounds. Ideal usage: the padlock is perfect for all types of storage lockers or sheds, truck workboxes, and construction site storage. Quality you can trust. A global leader in security-related products and services, the BRINKS name is synonymous with top-quality products to keep you and your belongings safe. Top reviews from the United States. Great lock. I've purchased other off-brand locks and the locking action can be difficult to lock and unlock. This is smooth and locks with confidence.